Hello everybody, January na and nasa akin pa rin to. Nagpasko na, nag-birthday na ni V. Hindi ko pa rin siya napaparapol. I'm so sorry. But this time, we are ready. Nahirapan ako to figure out kung paano ko siya gagawin kasi syempre gusto ko yung hindi kayo mahihirapan and hindi rin ako mahihirapan. Wala akong ibang naisip na way kundi gumawa ng Google Docs form. So meron na tayo, link down below. I'm not sure if you can click it here sa TikTok. If you can't, go to my Facebook, doon nyo i-click. Tapos, if you fill up nyo lang yung form, very simple. Ilang categories lang ang meron doon, like your name, your contact number, tapos kung ilang slots yung kukunin nyo, or kung isang slot lang, yun lang. Wala pa kayong babayaran, guys, ha? Wala pa kayong babayaran kasi the way we will do this is, once ma-confirm ko na yung number nyo, we will contact you, kaya we need your contact information, to confirm na nakuha nyo na yung particular number na yon. What am I talking about with regards to number and dito sa slots? Because we'll be opening up 100 slots, meaning 1 to 100, pwede nyo piliin yun. Tapos yun yung iraraffle natin. Kapag tumapat doon sa number na napili nyo, edi kayo yung pwedeng manalo. Ganun kasimple yung gagawin natin na raffle, guys. And it's like equal opportunity for everybody. For the numbers, guys, is a first come, first served basis. So kung sino yung unang mag-fill up ng form, halimbawa, marami kayong may gusto sa number 1, yung unang naka-fill up, siya yung priority, but the slot will only be given to the person who pays first. So kahit kayo yung naunang mag-list ng number na yon and hindi kayo nakabayad on time, unfortunately, that will go to the next person. Tapos, each slot, guys, ang naisip ko will cost around 200 pesos per slot. Imagine nyo, guys, you can get this for 200 pesos. You can get this Luino package worth 1,000 something for 200 pesos. You can also get these New Moods keychain na Tay Cook themed for also 200 pesos. We will also include Bath and Body Works body mists. We are selling these retail for 699 pesos and you can get them for 200 pesos. You can also win a Luino package and a whole lot more. I will have a full list of all the prizes we'll be giving away. So marami sa inyo ang mananalo, hindi lang isa. Raffle date is to be announced. And do not worry, this is open to anybody in the Philippines because we will also ship out all the items to the winners. So what are you waiting for, guys? Only 100 slots available. Click on the link and register now.